So, yan. So, here is the continuation for our sample problem. Sample problem number 4. Let's read. A reservoir of glycerin has a mass of 1,000 kilogram and a volume of 0.952 cubic meter. So, find its weight, unit weight, mass density, and specific gravity. So, yung glycerin, given daw mass, let's say M na lang for mass, and 1,200 kilogram. And then, binigay din yung volume ng glycerin, which is the 0.952 cubic meter. So, ang unang pinapahanap is the weight. So, weight or W. So, W or weight is equal to mass times the gravity. So, acceleration due to gravity yung G natin. So, mass natin is 1,200 kilogram. I-times natin sa gravity na 9.81 meter per second squared. So, magiging sagot dyan is 11,772 kilogram times meter per second squared. So, itong ano na yan is equivalent lang siya sa Newton. So, pwede nating sabihin na yung weight ay equal sa 11,772 Newton or 11.772 kilonewton kasi ang 1 kilonewton ay equivalent lang siya sa 1,000 Newton. So, either the two ay pwede. So, 11,772 Newton or 11.772 kilonewton. So, pwede dito. So, yun yung weight ng glycerin. And B, yung pinapahanap is unit weight ng glycerin. So, unit weight ng glycerin, let's say, gamma G or gamma ng unit weight ng glycerin. So, makukuha natin yung unit weight ng glycerin using the formula na weight divided by the volume ng glycerin. So, gamitin na lang natin tong 11.772 kilonewton. Ayan. Divided by the volume. Ito, 0.952 cubic meter. So, magiging sagot dyan is 12 point wait lang 12 point wait lang ayan 12.366 kilonewton per cubic meter. So that would be the unit weight of glycerin. Next na pinapahanap sa atin is the mass density ng glycerin, which is the rho sub G for glycerin. Yan. So the formula would be mass divided by the volume. Kukuha natin yan 1,200 kilogram i-divide natin sa volume ng glycerin na 0.952 cubic meter. So, ang magiging sagot dyan is, ito na lang, the mass density of the glycerin would be 1,260.504 kilogram per cubic meter. So that would be the answer for the mass density ng glycerin. And next would be the specific gravity. Specific gravity ng glycerin. Let's say, ano na lang to, SG. Ayan. So, SG. So, formula. So, pwede natin gamitin yung unit weight and then the mass density. So, unit weight ng glycerin divided by unit weight ng water. Or pwede rin ito, mass density ng glycerin divided by sa density ng water. So, pwede siya. So, gamitin na lang natin to. Itong unit weight ng glycerin, which is 12.366 kilonewton per cubic meter divided by the unit weight ng water na 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter. Ayan, so maka-cancel yan. So, ang magiging sagot dyan is 1.26. So, that would be the specific gravity ng glycerin. So, 1.26. And, pwede rin gamitin ito. Density ng glycerin divided by density ng water, which is 1,000 kg. So, same lang yung sagot na 1.26. Yung makukuha na specific gravity. So, yan, that would be the answer for the sample problem number 4. Yan yung mga pinapahanap sa atin.